In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the vehicle speed sensor on this Nissan Rogue. It's located behind the left front wheel. Let's get into it. We're going to use a 21mm socket, take the lug nuts off. Remove the wheel. You can reach into the wheel well. You can see on the transmission next to the axle shaft is where the vehicle speed sensor is. Disconnect the connector. Just push down on the tab and slide it out. There you go. Now using a 10mm socket, take this bolt out. Pull that out. Now just grab the sensor, give it a wiggle back and forth, and pull it out. Just take a rag, just clean out the hole. That's good. Take the new sensor, make sure the O-ring is on there. You can put a little O-ring lubricant, a little dielectric grease. Slide that in place, get the bolt started. Tighten that down, and torque it to 52 inch-pounds. That's good. Line the connector up. Lock it in place. Now put the wheel on. Get the lug nuts started. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.